Hi, this is Will from Clerk Chat. Today I'm going to set up my support team inside Clerk Chat and show you how to do this. First, I'm going to head over to the settings and members and invite two of my team members. I'm going to choose their role. Great, I've now added two of my colleagues to the workspace. I'm going to go back and create a new inbox for support. I'm planning on making this number available on my website for people to message in as the primary way to contact my support team. Great, I've created it. Now I'm just going to wait for my first support message to come through. Okay, great, a message has come through. I'm going to type a response and send it off. Okay, great, and that's come back to me. I'll resolve this issue. I'm going to make sure that I'm filling in my contact information as I'm going through the conversation to use the mini CRM feature inside Clerk Chat. So I'm just going to copy the name and add Denise as a contact, and I'm also going to add her email address. I can add any properties I want, any tags, add her to any cohorts. I'm just going to keep it at this right now as I don't have that information on her. Okay, great, and this support issue has been resolved. One thing I like to do is assign each conversation to a team member to keep everyone's inbox tidy. As I've dealt with this conversation, I'm going to assign it to myself. Okay, another message has come through. Let me click onto that. This person's number hasn't been activated. This isn't an area I specialize in, so I'm going to assign this conversation to Alex, as I know he knows how to deal with activating numbers. Now I've got one conversation that's assigned to me and one conversation that's assigned to Alex. What I can do is when I enter my inbox, I can click the filter and choose to see messages that are assigned to me. You can see now I've only got this one from Denise, who I was assigned to. This makes managing conversations a whole lot easier. One thing I like to do as well is once a ticket has been resolved, I like to click archive, and all that does is it clears up my active inbox, so it's a bit neater, and that's now been put in the archive section. It makes everything a bit cleaner. I can access these archive conversations at any time by heading to the archive section. I can then send a message. This is how you can activate your support team in Clerk Chat to enable them to respond to queries in an efficient manner.